What's up, YouTube? Hey guys, I think this is going to be a new series called TikTok Made Me Do It. So, polish. If you want to make your wipers last a whole lot longer, if not forever, you want to polish your window in your car at least twice a year. So this is going to be my first time doing it, but I'm going to actually polish my window, and that's going to help the blades, have less resistance, and they're going to last a lot longer. So this is the product I'm using. This is the new series, TikTok Made Me Do It. So let's polish my window. All right, so I'm no expert. Don't take my word for it. You can't believe everything you hear on the internet, but I can tell you it's squeaky clean. It definitely got a lot of dirt that you didn't see on the window. And according to what I saw on TikTok, you got to do this twice a year, and then your wiper blades are going to last for a lot longer, if not years. Now, they also said there's a way to go get silicone wiper blades. I don't know if these are silicone or not. These are rubber, because they don't typically seal silicone wiper blades. You got to kind of go find them online, because, and this is a fact, that a lot of dealerships and a lot of auto places won't sell silicone wipers, because they know if you use silicone wipers, they'll never sell a wiper again. Silicone wipers can last 2, 3, 4 years versus a rubber wiper that's not going to last as long. So for my replacement wipers, when I do replace these, I'm going to get silicone. I will create a video about that later, but other than that, that's it, guys. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. You can see I had to put some elbow grease in it. And I'm out of breath. I use paper towel, but I'm sure if you had a nice polished machine, it'd be a lot easier, but I just put some elbow grease in it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more TikTok hacks. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Peace.